Okay, so this live oak had leader limbs, about 5 limbs that were going over the house, hanging over the roof, threatening to cause damage to the house. So we removed all these limbs. We put collar cuts on the tree, and I was able to save my client $700 because we didn't have to use the loader truck to haul off all the debris. You know, we charge a flat rate of $700 to haul everything off. I was able to burn everything. So I saved him $700 right from the door, and I was able to go to the backyard and cut the grass and do a yard makeover for free. You guys got to see this. Well, I'm out on the east side, Savannah, today, saving the clients some money. We had to work on a tree today, and it was in bad shape. So, saving my clients some money. We're burning the brush. And back here, we had a disaster, you know. So they call the experts in to clean everything up. They never knew they had cement back here until we cut the grass and the weeds and used the blower to blow all the debris away. But we're slowly trying to get it to come back to life. Got a little work to do on this live oak in the backyard. And got a little window washing to do and some bug spraying, but we're slowly getting it together. And you should have seen this backyard before we started. It wasn't even it was just a big bunch of weeds. And we're clearing it out really good and making it look beautiful. That's what the whole backyard looked like, this right here. And we've been blowing through this thing with a push mower, you know. Almost got her done, guys. Almost got her done. So did you know that you have a slab of concrete that comes all the way out to here, but it's covered in leaves? We had to get everything off the roof, you know, so we could get all the vines off the roof. And look at all these leaves. I mean, there's so much leaves. So, and then all this crap that's growing on the roof, you know. We're trying to pull these vines off the side of the house. This is really bad. We don't want this. So we'll get this off and cut this over here. So the rule is not to have anything at least 16 feet above your roof. The reason being is because little critters can jump about 12 feet. And squirrels especially can jump 12 to 15 feet. So they'll jump onto your roof. They'll chew a hole in the side of your dormer and they access your attic. Savannah has a bad problem with river rats. Especially river rats, and if you hear loud noises running around your roof, that's probably what it is, guys. Yep, those two limbs grew together. That's amazing, y'all. So this limb right here, that's one big limb. It grew into each other right there. Amazing. That is incredible. Those two limbs grew together, and it's off of another leader. Like, this leader came over here and grew into this limb, and it's one limb. That is amazing. Hey, dude, you got to check this out. So I'm at my job, right? And we're doing a deep cleaning. Oh, shit, it had paused. Oh, there it is, look. Hey, buddy, what are you doing? I don't know if that's a snapper or not, but you don't have to be afraid. I'm just checking you out. Because Jill likes you. I wanted to see Jill. Anyways, I found him at my job where I'm doing this work, you know. And he came out. So I was like, oh, wow, look at the turtle, man. Isn't that neat? But so anyway, they got a fire going on here. They got a fire back there. They got a fire over yonder. So I burned some big logs, you know. So hey everybody, I was cutting the grass, these weeds over here, and I got right here and I had to stop because I saw. So I was cutting the grass back here and I didn't even see this guy. So tiny, and he was buried in the mud over here. but I didn't hurt him, thank goodness. And so I ran over the mama. Well, I didn't run over the mama, but I saw the mama over here, the big one. We're over here. This little guy is really lucky. Almost did not make it. So the mama is over here somewheres. So I'll put this little guy down. I know the mama is over here somewhere in the bushes. So I'll put her over here somewhere. There we go. But so the mama, I just saw the mama a minute ago, and I'm lucky I didn't run over that little guy. Dude, this is pretty crazy. You didn't even know you had a patio back here. Look at this. And there's a whole sidewalk. Like, we didn't even know there was a sidewalk over here on the side, you know? Look at this. You have a walkway now. Boy, this is a lot of work. Oh my goodness. I had to rip all the vines off the house. And I mean, we are killing it over here. We did a lot of work. She got down. We hooked her up. And there was a lot of crap on the roof. You know, that's what all this was from, the roof. Everything that was on the roof, but roof is got everything off the roof. I wasn't up there, so I didn't inspect the roof. I don't know what kind of shape it's in. But this pile here is burning down really well. And we've got more leaves. So many leaves. So we're done. I think I'm done. We just gotta burn all this stuff. This is so much debris. Look at it. And I cut all this with a push lawnmower. You know?